Have you ever wondered why some chicken curries taste so unforgettable? I believe it's not just the spices. It is the memories we create while cooking them. So hello everyone, welcome back to my. Today I am sharing my family's favorite red chicken curry recipe. It's packed with bold spices, has a beautiful red color and tastes amazing with rice, chapati or parota. So let's not wait any longer. Let's get cooking. Before we start cooking, let's marinate the chicken. In a large bowl, add 1 kg of clean chicken, half tablespoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon red chilli powder, 2 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon salt or to taste, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 to 3 tablespoon curd. Mix everything really well until each piece of chicken is evenly coated with the spices. Now let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes. If you have extra time, marinate it for 2 hours or even overnight in the refrigerator. The longer the chicken marinates, the more tender, juicy and flavors full it becomes. Once the chicken is perfectly marinated, let's start preparing our delicious red chicken curry. First, heat a generous amount of oil in a heavy bottom pan. Once the oil is hot, add cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, fennel seeds and fresh curry leaves. Listen to that wonderful crackling sound. This is where the flavors begin. Don't rush this step because the whole spices need a few seconds to release their natural aroma into the oil. Now add finely chopped onions, cook them patiently over medium heat until they become golden brown. This step makes a huge difference to the final taste of the curry. Well cooked onions give the gravy sweetness, richness and a beautiful texture. Now add fresh ginger garlic paste, stir it continuously for about a minute until the raw smell disappears. At this point, your kitchen will already smell incredible. It's time for the tomatoes. Add finely chopped tomatoes and cook them until they become completely soft. Mash them gently with your spoon while cooking. This helps to create a smooth and thick gravy and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on a low medium flame. Now add half tablespoon of salt and mix everything well. Cover the pan with the lid and let it cook on low flame for 3 to 5 minutes. This allows the onions to soften, release their natural sweetness and blend beautifully with the spices, creating a rich and flavorful base for our red chicken curry. Now add handful fried onions. It's optional. And here comes my favorite part, the spices. Add turmeric powder, red chilli powder, coriander powder, black pepper, Kashmiri red chilli and salt. Mix everything well and cook until the oil separates from the masalas. This tells you the spices are perfectly cooked and ready for the chicken. Now add the chicken pieces, mix them really well so every piece is coated with the rich masalas. This is the secret to getting flavorful chicken in every bite. And cover the pan and cook on a medium will naturally release its own juice, making the curry even more delicious. There is no need to add too much water at this stage. While the chicken is cooking, here is a small cooking tip. Always cook chicken on a medium heat instead of high heat. This keeps the meat juicy and tender while allowing all the spices to blend beautifully into the gravy. After about 15 minutes, check the chicken. If the gravy is too thick, add a little hot water and mix well. Let everything simmer for another 8 to 10 minutes. Doesn't it look absolutely delicious? The oil floating lightly on richer flavor and the thick gravy are signs that curry is perfectly cooked. Finally, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and give everything one last gentle stir. Your delicious red chicken curry is now ready to serve. Enjoy it with hot steamed rice, jeera rice, chapati, parotha, naan, or even dosa. No matter what you serve it with, this curry is guaranteed to make everyone ask for a second helping. If you try this recipe, I would love to hear from you. Tell me in the comments how it turned out and what you enjoyed it with. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more easy homemade and recipes made with love. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay safe, keep cooking, and remember that the best meals are the ones shared with people we love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next delicious recipe. Happy cooking!